How about I throw a Pay.Party? Actually, is anyone from Pay.Party on the call?
I think it's Hans, right?
Yeah, he's doing the most of the work.
He didn't make it to the previous call, so he might be out right now.
Yeah, that's understandable.
Let's see.
Well, 40.
So we for dev.pay.party, we actually did a user test right just now and didn't get through the vote screen. So
yeah. Oh, really?
Yeah, there's a bug on the development version for Pay.Party, but I mean, it can be definitely fixed. Yeah.
Okay.
Yep. So. It can be fixed, and there's some things on the dev version that are actually like really good enhancements from the previous version. So like I'm excited about that. Like you saw some of them yesterday, right, Laura?
Yeah, there are some really big steps forward. Okay, cool. Well, why don't I go ahead? I've got Pay.Party open now. I'll go ahead and share screen again, walk us through it, and kind of point out some of those enhancements, and also some of the places where we know need big enhancements as well. Awesome. So thing number one is I have arrived on Pay.Party, and I can see every Pay.Party that's ever existed, which is cool if it's one team creating all of the parties, but I suspect that in the future, I will not want to see all of the Pay.Parties for every single DAO that has ever created a Pay.Party for every single one of their teams. So this is a big thing we will fix. But let's say I want to throw a, oh, look, there's already test dogfooding 1 parties. I guess I'm not, again, the first person to do this. Create a party. Today's party is going to be dog food season 211. Okay. Today's party. Cool. Okay. So this is a big improvement here is there's voters and there's candidates. That language is a lot clearer than it used to be about, I don't remember what it was before. Okay, let's see here. So if you would like to vote and or be a candidate in this party, send me your, wait, can I share this? No, I have to add people. Okay. Can y'all send me, oh good, I'm seeing the ENSs come in, thanks. Okay. Nope, stop that. I know I gotta add commas. That fact that they turn into a pill though after you've confirmed them is pretty awesome. Oh boy, too many. Okay, that's right. Gonna try to get everybody, but this is okay. If we are thinking from a pain point perspective, boy, copying and pasting freaking sucks.
Laura, just to point out, you can copy the addresses from the tip party room you just created like a few minutes ago and copy that and paste it over to Pay.Party.
Oh, fascinating. That would have been very smart. And in the future would be a really great way to connect our products. I know that's on everybody's mind, but okay, adding commas, because I have seen this show before. Oops. Okay, so now I'm gonna, okay, I think this is what happens. So I'm gonna copy that down here. One, so again, the fact that it turns into a pill when it resolves is awesome. One recommendation is that clicking out of that, like it's not totally clear to me that I actually need to hit enter or like something needs to happen in order for those to resolve, and I'm not clear what that thing is.
By the way, Laura, I don't think you're sharing your video.
Oh, I'm not? Oh my gosh, you guys, I feel like an idiot. Here I am like talking as though you know what you're seeing what I'm seeing. Okay, here. So I can see that Samir's resolved, and then I'm not sure how to make the others resolve. I thought I hit enter, but it's not doing that. When I leave the box, it doesn't automatically do it. What action do I need to take to make that happen? Anybody know?
Maybe you remove the space in between. Try that.
Okay. Whoops.
Or try putting it on.
I think the way it works is like it probably only works when you like type in the addresses like on your own. But like if you paste a bunch of them, it probably doesn't work.
Oh, interesting.
I think bulk copy paste works. I think we did that just now at the usability interview. So maybe this is just a bug or something. I don't know.
Let me do this. I'm gonna just copy these so that I have the list, and then I'm gonna hard refresh and see what happens. Okay. All right, it started over, so. And I will try again. Try hitting. Okay, so this time when I hit enter, it did work. Samir, I think you didn't get in there. Is that right, or is it longer than that?
Samir TH, yeah, Samir TH.
Got it. Okay, yeah, cool. And that did work that time. Now, again, one thing that would be really nice is if I could just click out and they would resolve, because it's not clear, it's not clear to me that I need to take an action in order to make those resolve. And in this case, it is hit enter. Okay, so I've got my voters, I've got my candidates. Continue. Oh, I can review. Oh, this is new functionality. Now I can actually make sure these are all correct. And let's say that, yeah, actually, I want to, no, this is wrong. I got to edit. Okay, I'm going to go back. And I'm going to remove Samir from up here, and I'm going to remove, I don't know, Emu from down here, because, and then, okay, great. So now I can continue, make sure that everything is right. Samir has gone up here, and also down here. And
yeah, I don't think I was added to candidates.
Oh yeah, I didn't add you to the second one. Good point.
Yep.
My bad. Sorry. Hope you didn't want to participate. Well, I better go back and fix that in that case. And add you down here. Okay. Great. All right. So now we should be all set. Check one more time. Great. Everybody's where they belong. I'm going to confirm. I'm seeing a MetaMask pop up. It's thinking very hard. All right. Okay, it's saying create a party named Dog Food Season, which is in fact what I would like to do very much. So I will sign that message. Oh, and look, here's my party. Now, if I want y'all to be able to vote on this, how do I just send you this link? That thing, what Pay.Party added with that little button that says invite, very helpful, highly recommend. Y'all go ahead and vote. We're on Rinkby, right? Yeah, okay. I too will do some vote, or wait. Oh, I didn't include myself. Haha, all right, I don't get to vote.
Maybe that's also something we should note. That the creator of the party might also want to be a voter, and that maybe that should be automated, or I don't know.
It's a good question. I wonder. I just wasn't even thinking about it as like myself being a voter. Oh, sorry, you guys are getting the mirror thing. My bad. I'll stay on here. All right, I'm seeing 0 out of 9 voting so far. I think at this point, okay, so we learned this the other day. This back takes you all the way back to the home page and actually erases everything that you've done. So an important edit is that we need to, don't do that. And we should actually probably just remove that button because I think it'll confuse people. I think the idea is that once you get to this point, you can no longer edit. And that's why we had added that review screen so that you were able to go through and say, okay, this is who I want. This isn't who I want. Are folks voting? Has anybody voted?
Hey, I voted. Whee! I say that because I
Okay.
tried to vote like 20 times in a user test right before this and had no success. So
Yeah,
it's
the
nice
only-
that I did vote now.
The thing I'm recognizing or calling out is that like this in that case isn't very responsive.
No, hit a hard refresh and it'll update.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
that is not something
ideal.
Like that's
Yep.
not ideal, especially as the
Yep.
one who's going to distribute the funds. Like I need to know in real time.
I agree.
Okay. Oh. Oh wow!
Or maybe not.
Don't hard refresh. Actually, super. Don't do that.
Hey, there we go.
In fact, do that. All right. Okay. Let's say that whoever's going to vote has voted. Good luck to y'all. All right. I'm going to do 0.01 again.
I'm trying to vote, but nothing happens when I click the vote button. I don't know if I'm doing something wrong.
Oh,
So
interesting.
that's
You on
one of
mainnet?
the bugs.
That's-
If you're
yeah.
on mainnet or in Rickaby, you have to match your MetaMask with the network that's on the app itself. That's
No,
what it is.
it made me switch to Gorley.
So
should
yeah,
not
we
be
had the
Rinkeby?
same. We had the same error, and we tried moving it from Rinkeby to Gorley to mainnet and try to match all of them, and still had that error in Pay.Party.
When
in
I
the
switch
user
my
test.
network, it loses all my votes. That fucking sucks.
Yeah, and then you have to punch them all in again. Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah, on Rinkeby it works. Okay, cool.
Okay.
Just like a message that tells me, hey, you're on the wrong network might be good.
Yeah.
Yeah, that one specifically was tripping up, like literally at like MMM workstream was trying to play with this in the background, and that specific thing was catching them as well.
Yeah, and that was catching them on the other version. Not maybe this is helpful for the devs. It was catching them on the older version and this version, so it seems to be something that that is still persistent across both. I don't know if that's helpful or not.
Cool. All right. I'm gonna hit distribute. I notice my vote count has not updated. Let's see if it includes the completed votes that have not shown up yet. I get my MetaMask pop up. Okay, my MetaMask is thinking really, really hard. Still thinking. Okay, confirm. All right, my transaction has started. I see that down here. And my transaction succeeded. Hey. So we also added this payout column, which is very exciting, but I don't see it updating. Are y'all seeing that?
I think
Yeah.
it's because of the places. It's kind of we're only showing like two decimal places, and we're splitting like 0.0 down, so it doesn't actually show.
Right, exactly. I think 0.01 divided by 9 pushes it beyond 2 decimal points, so it just doesn't show. Let me see.
Oh, I see. Okay, that makes sense. Interesting. Yeah, I guess I distributed too small an amount. Good point. Good call. Sweet. Okay, I actually need to drop for another 2:30 conversation, but thank you for coming to the dog season party or dog food season party. Could also be a dog season party, I guess. Yeah.
Thanks for
Dog
eating
season
our
at the
dog
YOLO
food.
factory.
Yeah, YOLO typing factory. All right, no, but carry on. Don't end the party because of me. Okay, bye.